My name is Dave Lehman, and my episode started in 2004. I was on vacation and tried to put a suitcase in the trunk, and I felt something give in my back, and about a couple of days later I could barely walk. I got home and I went to see an acupuncturist, which did give me some relief after a couple of weeks. And over time, probably a couple of months, my pain was pretty well gone. But then in 2006, the summer, I started having a similar problem. Again, the pain was so severe that I could not stand or walk for more than a couple minutes. At the time, my sister-in-law did some research and found out about something called a DRX machine that is used by chiropractors. So she sent me some information. I read it and I thought it looked interesting. So then I looked for a chiropractor in the area where I lived, and I found out about the Dr. Davis, who had been my chiropractor for years before I had the machine. So I went and saw him, and I brought by x-rays and MRIs from Kaiser, who did a bunch of work on me and decided that I probably needed surgery, but I wasn't quite ready for that. But anyway, I brought the information, and Dr. Davis looked at it and gave me an examination and thought that this would, the DRX would be a pretty good alternative for me. So we went ahead with it, and so I started the program. And after about 2 weeks of the program, and again, this cost a good deal of money up front, I saw no improvement, and quite frankly, I was a little discouraged. But Dr. Davis said, just hang on, and I guarantee you, you will be starting to feel better. And about a week later, I started to feel some relief, and that continued. The relief, again, it was gradual, not all at once. It wasn't like I got up the next day and could have no pain, but it gradually went away, and even long after I stopped the treatments, the pain continued to go away. And so I was very pleased with it, and now since that time I've been sort of on maintenance. I also had some problems with my neck as well as my lower back, and so I alternated the DRX treatments. 1 month I would have a lower back, 1 month my upper back, and now I'm on every other month, and that has been very good, and I've been real happy with the treatment, and I've been virtually pain-free since since I took the treatment in 2006. And again, it took probably a year until I could walk totally without getting tired, without getting any pain. But again, it just gradually went away, and now my feet give out long before my back and hip does. So I'm very satisfied, and if you have severe back pain, this is certainly something you should consider.